Okay, so guys, we continue. I met this woman on the street selling pure water. I called her, asked her how much she makes a day or how many bags she do sell a day. She told me how much she makes a day. Then I decided to pay her for a month so that she could stop hawking in the street for the month and rest at home. So guys, if you come across my video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to drop your opinion. Also drop your account number. I will be crediting massively.